everyone, this is Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we are going to be making this mini book box to store your My Porch Prints mini books. As you can see, I have printed it out on cardstock and I'm just cutting out the pieces here, and then when we're finished with that, we're going to go ahead and assemble our box. And make sure that you cut around each tab, and when you're finished, you can use a 1-inch circle punch if you have one to punch out the little half circles on the box. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is fold along all of the lines. We're going to start with the box lid, and we're going to fold each line and then all of the tabs as well. And I began by using glue for this, but I kind of realized it takes a while for glue to dry, so you may want to use something like double-sided tape. But to start with, I was using glue on the tabs. And what you want to do is just fold your tab and kind of tuck it behind the box lid like this. And just kind of line it up and hold it in place until it dries. And make sure it's just aligned really nicely. And then just go ahead and repeat that on the other side. Okay, and then we're going to kind of do the same thing on the box itself. Just fold on all the lines. And fold the tabs as well. And then I went ahead and got my double-sided sticky tape roller, and I'm applying it to each of the tabs, just like this. And then you want to tuck your tabs behind, just like this, and align everything to make your box. Okay, and I noticed my lid was just a little snug, so we went ahead and just changed it up in the design so it's not quite as snug. It should fit a little better for you. And then we have these decorative pieces that you can use as a topper for your box. And I used some mounting tape just to make mine a little bit dimensional. And you can choose which one you like best for the top of your box. And you could also use one of your mini book covers for the top of your box if you want to identify the mini books that are inside. It's really up to you. But there we go. Got a cute little box for your mini books. And I had some mini books. These are from our Autumn Blush, I think. I'll check that out and put the link down below for you. And you can see they just fit inside like this. And then you can put your lid on top. And it's a cute little box just for storing your mini books. And it also works well for gifting. And there you go. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.